News.
A teacher of a Kandara private school in Murang'a County has been put on the spotlight for allegedly attacking an 11-year-old boy. The teacher has, however, denied the charges in court. Elsewhere, more than 1,500 squatters are demanding justice following their eviction from a railway corporation farm in Trans Nzoia County. Our reporter Catherine Oise tells us these and other stories in our news roundup.
A male teacher from a Kandara private school in Murang'a County was today arraigned in Kandara law courts with charges of sodomy. Eliud Ndambire Mutugi was arraigned before the residence magistrate R.N. Kimeu and faced charges of sodomizing an 11-year-old boy in Murang'a on the 18th of February 2024. The said teacher has, however, denied the charges leveled against him. Elsewhere, more than 1,500 squatters were evicted from the railway company's farm in Trans Nzoia and Uasin Gishu counties are complaining of living miserable lives. They were evicted from the said land in the year 2021. The squatters from the areas of Moy's Bridge, Matunda and Nangili have now asked the government to provide them with alternative settlement.
Tumekosa mwelekeo, tunashindwa. Serikali inaweza kutusaidia.
Tuna makao, watoto wengine wakatoroka, hatujui wako wapi. Sasa tunakaa tu hivi, tuko na njaa. Serikali utusaidie.
A row over the ownership of an expensive property adjacent to the Kenya Ordnance Factory and the Kenya Defence Forces Recruits Training School in Eldoret, Uasin Gishu County is intensifying. The 1,579 acres located in Mile Tisa has been a subject of contention for years.
Tulipata kwa njia ya haki kwa sababu katika ministry huwezi kupatiwa namba naitwa IR number 194560. Hiyo ni kama ID, ni kama kibande ya title. Na hii title zetu wana excellency iko kwa system.
Residents of Kilifi County want the government to safeguard its interests by ensuring that relevant departments serve the public. Speaking in Mtwapa during a consumer rights sensation drive by the Consumer Grassroots Association, a section of residents called upon the Weights and Measures Department to keep vigil over unscrupulous businessmen who interfere with their measures such that consumers get less than the weight they pay for.
Calling upon the Weights and Measures Department to ensure that goods that are sold in the market are up to standard, because they have realized that whatever they are buying is not really weighing up to what they expect it to weigh. So the Weights and Measures Department should come on board and ensure that all the scales that are used here in Kilifi County are up to standard.
Catherine Oise, KTN News, Nairobi.
The latest UN resolution on the war in Gaza is straining ties between Israel and Washington.